G'day guys, how are we all? Um, I hope you're enjoying quarantine. I hope you had a good holiday and a good Easter, and it's nice to actually chat with you one-on-one. So, I just want to spell out a couple of my expectations for Homeroom to make sure that you're doing everything you need to be doing, and so that we can be in communication if you ever need anything or you're a bit unsure what to do. So, firstly, in the morning when you hop onto Homeroom at 8:40, you should be checking the prayer, making the sign of the cross, and praying the prayer um, reverently and keeping in mind the intentions of your own intentions, the intentions of the world, and perhaps of our class and others you want to pray for. You should read my blog post. That's the next thing you do. I've been using a forum up until now, but I'm going to start using a blog because I just think it's a bit easier. Um, and that way it'll change every day and it won't make a big list of forum posts that are blocking up the homepage. Then you need to read your emails. So obviously that's one of the first ports of call for all teachers at the moment with you. Read your emails, respond to anything you need to respond to, and then I would jump into looking at the class pages for your first two periods for that day, just so you're aware of what you need to do, and that way you can get yourself sorted and start working a little bit early. Please shout out if you need a hand. Please talk to me if you're struggling or you're unsure or confused. The Google Hangout thing has been going pretty well, I think. I think that's been working well. For PSL, though, I want to try tomorrow a bit of a Google Meet session so I can actually see you all, see how you're traveling. We can have a bit of a chat. Let's make sure we're respectful when we do that. So I'd like the microphones muted. And if you have anything you want to say or anything you want to ask, please put your hand up so I can see you on the screen, and then I'll call for you to say or ask whatever you need to, and then you can unmute yourself and talk. Cool. So I think that's about it, everyone. Thank you so much for those of you who have been working really well and staying on top of your learning. For those of you who are falling a bit behind or struggling, let me know if there's anything I can do, because I don't want you falling behind. Because the further you fall behind, the harder it is to catch up. And I think that is about it. So best of luck, everyone. I hope you continue to work well. And I look forward to chatting with you in future videos and in future Google Meets and that kind of thing. Great. All right. See you, gents. Take care.